Okay, so focus for a second. Pages 238 to 243 in your R book. And we are doing 4 pages in one. So we're going to be doing the video, so the anchor video for our workshop 5, Contagion. Okay. So I can pay active attention to a video in order to learn about key ideas. I can participate in an academic discussion to share and compare ideas about a video using new vocabulary and academic words. Our goal today, we are starting a new workshop. We'll learn about deadly diseases, the people they affect, and who works to stop them. The focus question, this is the part that we're doing. How do scientists meet the urgent need to contain killer diseases? Okay. The anchor video, okay, please watch the anchor video on slide 7. And then as you're watching the anchor video, you'll be filling in pages 240 and 241 on one video watch. Now, of course, at home, you can rewatch the video. It does say rewatch, I think. Record your facts. Yeah, record the facts you have on 241. You have some questions as well. So we'll talk about those right now. Let me pop that up before we get started. Okay, so to the next page. Okay, so for viewing purposes, you have, or to help you when you're viewing the video, you have these 5 words you'll be filling in. Well, really 4, because they already did one for you. So you have contagious, disease, epidemic, immunize, and public health. Now they already did disease for you, and you should recognize immunizations from maybe previous. So immunize is just the verb form of that. Immunizations are the actual things, like it's that's the noun. Okay, so immunize is the verb. Okay, so fill those in as you're watching the video. Then once the video is done, you'll be doing the write and discuss. So record 2 facts from the video that you learned or that caught your attention. So those are your 2 facts. And then share the facts. So what I want you to do is write your facts down up here, because those are the facts you'll be sharing. And then you can share at home those facts, the discussion ones that you chose. You can discuss it with somebody at home. Okay. Okay. Then we'll be cruising. You'll be cruising straight on, because you're watching the anchor video on your own. So I don't need to read anything to you. The concept organizer. Okay. So we're going to be zooming to that. And I just want to point out, I went over to here. In case you have to do this at home, I do give you a course on page 242 to 243. I give you the definitions on 243. Okay, but let me pop over to the pages again. It's bigger. So once you have 230, we're doing a lot of pages today. 238 to 241 done. More 240 to 241. 238 to 239 shows all the articles that are within the workshop. But once those are done, then zoom over to, let me get to the next 2 pages. The concept map. Okay, I'll make this big. Okay, so the concept map, you're focusing in on the word disease. In each circle, write a word or phrase that you associate with disease. We should definitely nail this one with our recent events that we've been living through for over a year. So concept map, disease. Okay, now I have cure in for the first one. Okay, now we don't have a cure for the one we have, but some diseases you do have cures. That's why I put that one in. Okay, so make sure that's in. And then on the next page, that's where your definitions come in. Don't forget to rate your word and then do the example for each. So the meanings you'll get from that the slides that I gave you, okay, for the presentation. The last two slides will have the definitions.